Aquarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for August 11 to 17, 2025. Ayan, so if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Ayan, so meron tayong 50% discount sa ating mga tarot reading services from August 15 to August 31. So, book na kayo. This is the best time to book for a reading dahil 50% discount. Okay, paalala lang na ang reading na to ay general reading. So, just take what resonates. Okay? So, let's see, Aquarius, what is the energy for you this week? Meron tayong full moon in Aquarius. This is your overall energy, possible challenge, opportunity, blessing. Oh, that really makes sense. Transformation. Ayan. So, may endings, new beginnings para sa may mga placement sa Aquarius dyan. Okay. Sa bottom of the deck, 10 of Cups. This is happiness. This is fulfillment in your family or in your love life or contentment sa buhay ninyo, no? You also have the Ace of Pentacles. So, meron ditong new beginnings. Maaring may nagsisimulang bagong trabaho, career, opportunities, project, business para sa inyo. Ito yung matagal nyo nang pinag-isipan with the Hangman. Pwedeng nagpo-procrastinate kayo rito kung gagawin nyo ba, sisimulan nyo ba. And I think ngayong week na to, gagawin nyo na, finally. Oo. You have the Sun. This is about confidence sa sarili mo, energy. So, I think mas magiging creative ka ngayong week na to. Marami kang ideas na pumapasok sa isip mo and you are finally taking action doon sa mga ideas na yan. Ayan. Meron ding healing rito, pagpapahinga, rest. So, may mga bagay na pinagpaguran or napagod ka ng mga nakaraan. And ngayong week na to, maaring mag-alalaan ka ng panahon para makapagpahinga. There's also a new source of happiness for you. This can be a new job, career, or opportunity sa business. So, your overall energy is the Magician. This is your manifestation skills. Maaring meron kami na manifest ngayon na finally mangyayari na, no? Na magli-lead sa transformation, pagbabago para sa inyo. The Magician is also your abilities, yung mga kakayanan mo. You are stepping into your own power. Oh, wow! You have the 9 of Cups, which is fulfillment, happiness. Meron kang wish na matutupad. Oh my God. Ayan. Yung minamanifest mo, mangyayari na. That makes sense with the star kasi wish din to, no? Wishing upon a star. I think ito yung matagal mo nang minamanifest, matagal mo nang hinihiling, when you wish, you are working on it, and finally, it is happening. Meron lang may nag-e-end, may natatapos. And ibig sabihin nun, may magsisimula. Okay? And yun yung blessing para sa iyo ngayon. May challenge lang dito kasi maaring may mga decision kang nahihirapan kang gawin or pumili. Oo. What is the 2 of Swords? The High Priestess and the 5 of Cups. So, maaring meron kang gustong i-let go. Na hindi mo pa let go because you feel like parang sayang o kaya may guilt, no? Nagigilty ka. But, ganun talaga. May mga times na kailangan natin pumili para maka-move forward na tayo. And I think, yan yung direction na tatahakin mo ngayon. And you will follow your instinct. Yung instinct mo, intuition mo, yan yung mag-guide sa'yo kung ano yung best mong dapat gawin. So, kung iba sa inyo may mga challenges sa inyong kalusugan, you have the opportunity na isaayos, ibalik ang sigla ng inyong pangangatawan ngayong week na to. You have the Six of Pentacles. When it comes to your finances, magiging balance, maayos yung pasok ng pera, labas ng pera. So, kumbaga, kayang-kaya mong i-provide yung mga needs, mga pangangailangan mo, ng family mo. At kung kailangan mo ng tulong, andyan yung tulong. Okay? And then, your blessing is the Death card, which is transformation, change, major change sa buhay mo. This makes sense kasi meron tayong full moon in Aquarius. Oo. And this is about releasing the old and embracing the new. Pagla-let go ng past para harapin ang bagong simula. Ayan. What is the Death card? The Five of Swords. Yung iba sa inyo, conflict. No? Conflicted kayo. Maaring nang isip nyo na gagawin ko na ba to, tatapusin ko na ba to, ila-let go ko na ba to. Kasi maaring meron mga taong na maaapektuhan or may mga taong kumukontra sa inyong desisyon. So, syempre, at the end of the day, ikaw ang magde-decide what's best for you, what's best for your future. So, wag mong hayaan na ikaw ay maapektuhan ng ibang tao. Lalo na kung may nararamdaman ka na hindi magandang intention nila para sa'yo. So, kuha tayo ng oracle cards for your money, career, finances for Aquarius. Education or educator. So, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong expertise, kakayanan sa pagtuturo, pagtitrain. Maaring kayo ay trainer, coach, teacher, na maaring yung pagkakitaan. Taking chances. Yung iba sa inyo, magte-take ng risk pagdating sa business or magte-take ng risk sa bagong simula or bagong opportunity na iti-take mo pagdating sa iyong trabaho, sa career, or sa business mo. So, ito ay magli-lead sa magandang resulta. So, bigyan mo na ng chance. Mararamdaman mo yan eh. Oo. Kasi, yung bang tipong wala kang pag-aalinlangan. Oo. And then, for your love life, tingnan natin. Love life. Date night. Uy. And then, children. Okay, so yung iba sa inyo, maaring kayo ay solo parent, no? So, maaring inaayos nyo ngayon yung relationship nyo with your children and also yung personal life ninyo. So, pwede kasing maapektuhan yung, personal life ninyo, like dating with someone, kung meron na kayong anak. Or, if you are in a relationship right now, maaring pinag-uusapan nyo yan. Yung kung ready na ba kayo for a child or for having your own family, especially kung ito ay hindi pa ganun katagal na relasyon. Oo. Kasi kung seryoso yung relationship, it's okay na pag-usapan kung ano yung plans for the future. Kasi yung iba, nag-expect na gusto ng anak, pero yung isa pala ayaw, 'di ba? Para wala kayong sasayanging oras at panahon. You have the Sun in Cancer in the 4th house. So, Sun is about power. This is about confidence. Maaring sa bahay ninyo or sa family ninyo, ikaw yung leader, ikaw yung tawag nito. Hindi lang basta leader, ikaw yung breadwinner. Oo, you provide for your family. And you are able to provide for them, to give them what they need. And at the same time, meron ka rin para sa sarili mo. Ooh, may birth dito. Yung iba sa inyo maaring may may mga anak. Or, kabuanan nyo na, or pwede rin may pregnancy. Some of you naman, merong opportunity na magagawa ka or matutuklasan ka na kaya mong gawin na kahit nasa bahay ka lang. Pwede ikaw kikita kahit nasa bahay ka lang, work from home, or any side gig, side job na sa bahay lang. You also have Moon in Cancer in the 4th house. Puro 4th house to, which is about family and your foundation. So, maaari ring ikaw ay mas magkakaroon ng malalim na connection sa isang kaibigan or pwedeng meron kang patitirahin na kaibigan sa bahay mo. Healthy boundaries, yes. Napaka-importante niyan. Pagsiset ng healthy boundaries sa connections mo, relationships mo, para hindi ka take advantage. Lovers, this is about commitment. I think mas committed ka ngayon sa sarili mo kung paano mo mas mapauunlad ang iyong kabuhayan. Hindi lang sa finances, no? But yourself in general, na maaring meron ka mga goals, personal goals na ma-achieve during this time. Free spirit, give yourself the space and freedom to express your creativity. Yes, you are very creative and inventive na person, no? So, bibigyan mo ng pagkakataon yung sarili mo na mag-explore pa ng mga bagay na interesado ka, na nagsaspark ng iyong curiosity and creativity. So, that is your reading, Aquarius. Thank you so much. See you again.